After 73, you need to change the dryer, because remember this dryer can be mixed up with the oil and some dust inside, dirty oil actually. So you need to put a new one, and you always have to find a way. It's not easy to put a new dryer in. Sometimes the pollution is not good, but as a technician, you're gonna have to find a way to put the new dryer in. It's your duty to find a way. So any way you find to put a dryer in is better way. So yeah, we're gonna put a new dryer in here. And there's a capillary is coming here, just because we don't have a position inside, so we're gonna have to use it from outside. And when you're done welding, then you bring it inside the way it's supposed to be, this like that. And I say earlier, the flash powder, is a one white powder. Then it is make the copper and the steel very strong together when you're welding. So you take your torch, excuse me, I always put my light, the polish that I can easily found. It's like this light's walking away. Okay. Are you taking a video, right? Thank you. Here we go. Now we're gonna proceed with the last part. Before doing that, we need to put this valve and this dryer inside. Remember, it's hot, so don't burn yourself. It's really hot. Find a way. Okay. Don't have to burn yourself because it's very hot. This side is supposed to be done. Yeah. is where it's going. So remember, we just cut the cable tie. Cut one of the cable tie. Make sure that you replace it. You must always have cable tie in the tool box. Just to put the pipes together. If you don't tie it, it's going to be shaking. And when the dryer gets shakes, you bring your the blockage from the dryer as well. So you don't want that. There we go. Nice. Cut it off. Now before putting the gas in, there's something we need to be done. We need to take out the pressure here. There's a pressure inside the system. So we need to take the pressure out. My pump is damaged to take out the pressure, so that's why I put the capillary D to flush it out. So this is what we do now. You put your valve here, and you put your pipe here, and you remove the one from the 22, and you put on the R600. This compressor is R600. So you make sure the gauge that is go on the deep freezer or on chest freezer is the same number. You can use you can have a big one, you can have a small one, it does the same job. Just that I don't want to carry a lot of stuff at the same time. Yeah. So now you plug your fridge, you're gonna hear the pressure on the fridge coming out. When the pressure come out, and then you plug your fridge on, you refill the gas normally. Yeah. Yeah, the pressure is coming up. Give yourself like 2 minutes until all this pressure is out from the fridge. Once it's done, then you start refilling your fridge slowly without any pressure. So we done the job. Everything is fine. You just have to wait. So these are the process you carry on before you refill your fridge. Hey guys, that was a Master King of Appliances here in SA. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.